Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to convert an image to line art with 3 easy steps. Create a new document of these dimensions. Upload your image and click on the place button. Adjust its size. The first step, which is the oil paint filter. For this, go to the filter menu, stylize and oil paint. Follow my settings or play with it according to your image. Second step is the poster edges filter. Go to the filter menu, then filter gallery. Select the poster edges filter and follow my settings. This filter defines the outline for your artwork. For the final step, which is the gradient map, go to Effects and select Gradient Map. For the gradient map, make sure to use only black and white gradient. Follow my gradient map settings. Now add a solid color adjustment layer. And apply texture. Follow my texture settings. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more Photoshop tips every week.